So these are the newest codes for Pet Simulator 99 on Roblox. So, how do you actually find these codes? Well, sometimes they're located within the description. But if they're not and you actually check, as you can see there's no code here, we can find another way. So this is actually the best way to do it. Just go to a browser, in this case I'm using Safari, and I search for PetSim99 Roblox. What we're gonna do is search for Pet Simulator 99 codes, and it's going to take us to these websites which will give us the free codes that we can use in the game. So just open on one of them, and usually they would give you the active codes and also the expired codes so you know what you kind of missed out on. So make sure you just keep on searching for these codes every day so that you won't have to miss any codes and that they won't expire. So as you can see, here are all of the codes right now. I'm just going to scroll through the video and you can just copy and paste whatever you want or pause the video whenever you want. So let's go on and go to there's actually more at the bottom over here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So here are all of the working codes for Pet Simulator 99. As you can see, there are a lot of randomized letters and numbers, but there are also some good ones like Titanic Fire Dragon, Cat Hoverboard, Damage Potion 5, Lucky Potion, Bag of Diamonds, Exclusive Dragon Egg, Huge Celestial Dragon, Huge Unicorn Dragon, Balloon Hoverboard, and more of those random numbers which you can use. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Those are the working codes for Pet Simulator 99. And if you want to learn how to look for codes in other games, you could just switch out the Pet Simulator for another name, like for another Roblox name, like for example Arsenal. Let's search for Arsenal, and it's going to give us actual Arsenal codes that we can use in the game. It also gives us tutorials on how to use them, so you have to watch out as well. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.